Hello everyone. If you are in East Africa or basically in Kenya and you want to create a website, okay, let me show you how to create that website. So if you want to create a website like this one, the one you see here, for a community-based organization, or this one for security company, you see it is very beautiful, or this one for a construction company, okay, this is how you begin it. So the first thing, you need to come to this website, and then from this website you will scroll down, and then you will come here to choose hosting plan. So we need to look at the plans. So we have the starter plan, standard plan, and then executive package, and high hosting only. So what I normally do, I'll come on this part here on starter plan, then I'll click. Then after that, I'll come here. I need to choose now the name of my website or the name of my business. So let's see this one and see if we can get it. So I'll use this one, HostPinnacleLS investment. So this business is already registered, and we have a website for it, but with another extension. So here we need to choose an extension. So we have here .co.ke, .com, .net, .org, etc, etc. For this purpose, let's choose .ke. So we select it there, and then we wait a bit. So our business name is available, or our hosting name is available. So once it is available like that, we click on continue, and then we wait a bit. Then this is it. So the amount of money that we are going to pay is 4,872. My guys, I'm telling you, this one is cheaper. It is very, very cheap. If we divide this one with the 12 month, this one will come at least something like 470 or 460 Kenya shilling. That one is equivalent to one plate of chips. Okay, so let's continue. So we click on continue, then we wait a bit. Let this run. Now this is where we are, and this is our domain configuration. So if you see, the domain configuration is already there, and it is here. You can see HostPinnacleLS investment. You see it. So I had already registered another domain called Klaus. That's why you see it is here. But the one now we are doing is HostPinnacleLS investment, and then we are taking it 1 year. My friend, 1 year. With that 4,000, it is cheaper. It's very cheap. Then let's click on continue. Okay, so this is it. So you can see I have two. Okay, I'm supposed to pay 9,000, but let's delete this one. Let's delete Klaus. We are removing that one. Let's wait. You see now, now we are also removing this one. Let's wait it a bit. Now this is exactly what we are supposed to pay. Okay, then after this we will click on checkout, so that we can be able to pay. So you can see I already filled the checkout form. You can see I've put my name there, I put my email, my telephone number, my business name, the location, and then the address, the state. Maybe I can put here cost. Like that, and then we roll down like this, and then you put the password here. Okay, you also confirm the password here again, and then you add it up to payment. So from the payment here, it depends now on the gateway that you are going to use. Like for me, I always use what we call M-Pesa. or sometimes I use my card, but mostly I use M-Pesa. Even if you are in which country, you can be able to do what? You can be able to host your or to pay your money using M-Pesa. But also we have PayPal. If you select PayPal, also you can use PayPal or the debit card. But for now, we will select M-Pesa, and then we will come here. You say, I have read and understood everything. So you click on complete the order. We wait. So yours, it will not appear like this. Yours will take you to the payment detail, whereby you will use your card or your M-Pesa, and then you will be prompted to pay. So guys, thank you. I'll put the link of this website into the description. And also, if you need a website like this one I've created here, or this one, just contact me, and we will discuss on your project. Okay, just don't fear, just call me or write me an email, and then I will do a free consultation for you, so that you can determine whether you can do a project with me or not. Okay, thank you, I appreciate.